welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica, and today I thought I would take you along with me. There is a god-awful smell that is in my fridge, and we've cleaned it, we've tried to do everything we know to do. So this time I'm taking everything out of the fridge, deep cleaning everything. I'm gonna do kind of a little bit of a organized refresh and just see if we can't figure out what the heck this problem is in our fridge. And I thought, you know what, maybe you guys need some inspiration of and motivation to clean out your closet, clean out your fridge. And I thought I'd take you along with me because this is a big problem here in this house. Everybody is dying over it. So we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna clean it really good, make it look like new, and take you along with me. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the fridge. It's not horrible, but there is a horrible smell that is in here, and I don't know what it is. I feel like some kind of meat or shrimp juice or something spilled down, and I have cleaned it and cleaned it and cleaned it, and I cannot get this smell out. So I am taking everything out and going to scrub it all down, you know, check expiration dates, just clean everything really good. And hopefully I'm not gonna replace it because I already did this. I already put new ones in thinking that would help. But we're just gonna take everything out, the liners, the drawers, everything, and just see if we can't fix this because it's driving everybody in the family nuts, because it does, it smells horrid. So let's do this.
Like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me. Talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
That when I am doing something like this, a project like this, like I took all of this out, went through this, all of this, cleaned it, went through this. I don't take everything out of the fridge or freezer and then I'm overwhelmed. I take it one step at a time. So now I'm working on the inside. I'm gonna clean the shelves, go through all the food, and I'm gonna try to come up with a better system for organizing kind of our regular, our meal prep, our all the time. We pretty have a good idea on the fruit. I have fresh fruit in the house all the time. So that's what I just want to show you, that if you just take it section by section, it doesn't get so overwhelming. So I have a bunch of these different organizing bins, and primarily what I have them waiting for is in the basement. But you know, I never get rid of something, like I've got a lot of bright green from the Dollar Tree. You know, they usually have the bright colors that I did in my pantry years ago. But what I'm thinking I might do is use that kind of stuff for like in the garage, or, you know, something, or up north at our cabin. So never get rid of stuff, you know, just because you're changing how you're organizing, or maybe you don't like the bright color or whatever. You can also spray paint them. There is spray paint that you can use. That's another tip. If like Dollar Tree tends to wipe out of the white right away, you can buy spray paint that will give kind of like a white, you know, like a plastic finish. You can spray paint your bin so that everything is consistently the same color. You know, that's an idea. But I've got these kind of just waiting for downstairs in the basement, but I'm gonna see if some of my, like, you know, all my vitamins, my flaxseed, stuff like that, that I kind of wanna organize in the fridge, I'm gonna see if this will work. By the way, my amber bottle is thieves cleaner. On this one, I wanted something that was food safe and, you know, wasn't gonna be really harsh chemicals in the fridge since we have all our food in there. But I went ahead and did 2 capfuls of the thieves cleaner and then water. So that's what this is.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing new.
Okay, so I've got the shelves back in. I kind of changed up how I did this, so hopefully this might, I'll have to fix that one. But hopefully this might kind of help the setup here in here. But it's squeaky clean. I just cleaned all of inside, all of the shelves. That was Dawn liquid soap. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and try to put stuff back, and then I'm gonna work on all of this.
Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love you. Let me love you. Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door 'cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through.
So this escalated really quick. All this had to come out so we can fix a water issue. And now I can clean all in here.
Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night.
Okay, so this ended up being a way bigger project than I anticipated, but I am happy to say it is clean. It is completely cleaned out. I mean, you saw the back panels coming off. We pulled the fridge and freezer out so that we could get this all cleaned, and this was the problem. This is where I keep my meat, and at some point, some juice or something got stuck back behind this. And so no matter what I was doing, I was cleaning it and cleaning it and cleaning it, it, you know, was still stuck in there. So it was starting to really smell. So long story short, got that all pulled out. Everything is clean and organized. So let me just run through what how I change things up. So up here is eggs. This no different. I love these little containers. I got them at World Market, but they have them all over the place now. These bins I picked up from Target Dollar Spot a while back, and they just are perfect for the fridge. So if you come across them, it just is perfect. You know what I mean? Size-wise for the fridge here. So I've got all my sour cream and cream cheese, butter, peanut butter, a couple little extra things. This is just all of my pickles, garlic, relishes, that kind of thing. Okay, we'll just go down here. All my supplements that I use daily, all our fresh fruit. We need to restock, but this is where that goes. And also up here, then my bread just fit. There's some hamburger buns, bread for different people. Our dog food just fits right nicely in there. And then this is all food prep or leftovers. And we've got space here. And then in here, this is all of our vegetables. We need to obviously do some restocking, but that's that drawer. And then this is fruit, yogurt, and I went ahead and put the yogurt in a bin. And also, this is from Young Living, and I just love this in like a seltzer water. It's really, really good. So I just have that in a little container. So that's out. And then again, this is where we keep our meat. So we have that, all of our cheeses, the big Costco cheese behind, tortillas. This is just something that we had from the weekend, a dip, but then I like to use this quite a bit instead of mayo. So that's all contained. And then we have all our dairy, and I use this for my smoothies every day. Just, different random stuff up here. And then just, butter, all the different hot sauces. Everybody in the family has something different they like. And then just all the condiments and some salad dressings. So it just looks so much better. But the best part is the smell is gone. So I hope I gave you some good inspiration and a motivation if you need to get out there and really deep clean your fridge, that you get in there and do it, because God knows there was so much other gross stuff, but I think the main problem was the juice that got down there, which was awful. Anyhow, I hope you have a great day, and I hope this helped to get you started to do a project around your house. Remember, this was one project. Yes, it turned into something much bigger, but I'm really proud of myself because, when I woke up today, I didn't feel like doing anything. I wasn't gonna, I just was not in a good space, but I told myself, get this one thing done and then go from there. And I feel very accomplished and I feel good about myself, and that's the main thing. I got one project off my list. To me, that's a good thing. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.